5-minute guided meditation embracing self-love. Find a comfortable and quiet space. Sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, welcome a sense of acceptance for who you are. With each inhale, imagine breathing in warmth and love towards yourself. Feel this love filling every part of your being. As you breathe out, release any negative thoughts or judgments about yourself. Let go of criticism and embrace kindness. Silently repeat affirmations that foster self-love. I am worthy, I am enough, I am deserving of love and happiness. Reflect on your life's journey with compassion. Acknowledge your efforts, growth, and the strength you've shown along the way. Picture a gentle, soothing light around you, representing self-compassion. Feel it healing and nurturing your spirit. Imagine this light becoming a part of you, strengthening your self-love. Hold on to this feeling as you slowly return to the present. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to feel proud of who you are. Carry this sense of self-love with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time to connect with yourself. May you feel surrounded by love starting from within.